Hello guys, welcome to my boostpal tutorial on how to upgrade your account. This video is actually specifically how to upgrade your account using Bitcoin. First of all, what you have to do is to log in, then you come to this upgrade button here. You click it, then when it loads, you choose a plan. This is a beginner account, expert account, pro account, platinum, gold and diamond. Then let me say, for instance, you want to upgrade to an expert account. You click expert, then you select pay via payment process. You confirm it. There are two options here: perfect money and Bitcoin coin payment. As I said before, this is how to upgrade it with Bitcoin using your Luno wallet. Then look at what you will do here. You come here, input your first name with your email address. In this email address, they will send you the wallet address where you will send the Bitcoin of 0.0072300 Bitcoin, as you can see here. Then when you complete the checkout, the information will be sent there. Then with your Ludo wallet, this is the amount that you're expected to send: 0.00723. You can add 99 here, you understand, or you can make it 0.0072411. You understand? Don't send anything less than this thing, and don't send this thing exactly. You understand? You have to add a little thing so that you will cover the transaction charges. You understand? So this is it. You complete the checkout. Okay, I have to select this and then complete it. Then you will see I have about 3 hours to complete the transaction. So this is what I'll do. I'll just go to my email. Look at the email here. I'll open it. I'll advise you, while doing it, you should use your phone so that you copy it immediately and paste in your Luno wallet and do the transaction immediately. Look at it. Thank you for using coin payment net. To complete your checkout with boostpal, send blah 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 blah. This is the wallet address. You understand? Within 3 hours. I'm giving 3 hours to complete the transaction. After 3 hours, this wallet address will be void. So with my phone, I'll have to copy this with my phone, or not, although only if I have an access to my Luno account in my laptop, then I'll do it. Then when I copy it, I'll then click on this amount. You understand? If it will redirect me to my Luno account, then I will proceed with the payment. Remember, don't send anything less than this or exactly this. You have to add some digits like 7311111 or 7239999. You understand? So that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe to get more videos. Thank you.